Hey everyone, this is Stuart Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, and welcome back to the channel. On this channel, we talk about all things amateur radio, DXing, contesting, parks on the air, worldwide flora and fauna, you name it, we probably cover it. Anyway, in this video, I heard an interesting comment today, an interesting buzzword. Well, I wouldn't even call it a buzzword, just a new word, hamsplaining. What is hamsplaining? Well, by definition, we've all heard the term mansplaining, when a man tries to tell a woman the ways of the world, mansplaining. We're going to mansplain this. Well, hamsplaining is similar to mansplaining, but it's focused on amateur radio. So my definition of hamsplaining is, I'll give you an example. This weekend on the North Carolina QSO party, I found a clean frequency. I listened like I always do, didn't hear anything. So I asked 4 times if the frequency was in use. You know, the standard 3 is acceptable, but I did it 4. And so I asked 4 times if the frequency is in use, and nobody came back. So I started calling CQ North Carolina. Anyway, so I started calling CQ North Carolina, and I made a contact. And then, lo and behold, some guy comes on and said the frequency is in use, 1 KC down. Well, funny, I didn't hear anything. I asked 4 times. And another guy came on and tried to lecture me on how to tune around my VFO and listen to other frequencies. Well, you think if it was 1 KC away, 1 kilohertz for you younger guys, if it was 1 KC away, I would have heard a good strong signal. And they would have heard me 1 KC away. Anyway, so he went on to hamsplain to me how to use my VFO and tune around and listen to other frequencies. So of course, me being me and me being my sarcastic self, because that's the way I am, thanked him by saying, "Thanks, Tips McGee, for that lesson and you guiding me on how to be a better ham radio." I was a total smart ass. Don't get me wrong. I wasn't grateful for his hamsplaining. I was being a smart ass. So, and then somebody told me that word today, hamsplaining. So, hamsplaining. And then another friend of mine went on to tell me that the ham radio world is full of disinformation and misinformation. Well, what isn't in today's world? Anyway, there's my new word for today, hamsplaining. Hope you enjoy it. Use it. Use it every day. Use it with pride. Use it in your conversation with your other ham radio friends. Go ahead and hamsplain your way around the world today. Maybe I'll change my video titles or my video name to, or my channel name to, The Hamsplainer. I really like that. It's got a ring to it. No way, not happening. I'm Stuart Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. See you guys in a future video. Hope you guys don't mind me hamsplaining to you.